I realized that I've been creating videos on advanced level things, but there's a lot of people out there that don't even know what NFTs are, what they do, how they work, how they operate, best time to flip, best projects to look out for. So I'm gonna get down to the basic and fundamentals. And once you watch these video series, then you're going to become a master, a guru, a sensei in this space, in this world. So make sure you hit that bell, comment, subscribe, and I will also be giving away the ultimate NFT playbook to a lucky winner if in the middle of the video I will be saying an emoji, and what you have to do is comment with that emoji. Okay, so let's get this started. How NFT works on a high level overview. I don't want to bore you with the details. NFTs, first you have to understand what they are. They are a non-fungible token. Okay, so at a very high level, most NFTs are a part of a blockchain, Ethereum, Solana, etc. So the non-fungible tokens are digital assets that represent a wide range of unique tangible and intangible items. So there's different kinds of NFTs, right? There's ones where you can use as skin, there's art, there's pictures, there's one where have a certain utility, there's one where you have a virtual real estate. So each NFT is going to be different. They have collectible sports cards, like I just mentioned, virtual real estate, and even digital sneakers. So the limitless, the possibilities are limitless in terms of what you can do because of it is non-fungible. I mentioned that there's this one individual. He put his real real estate, like land real estate, not virtual, real real estate, into a smart contract NFT, and he put that under a corporation LLC. And whenever someone purchases that NFT, then they claim ownership to not just the NFT, but to the physical real estate. Now, whenever that real estate is sold, the person who set up the LLC will get royalties. So the limit is there's so many things if you are creative with this space. There's no telling on what you can do and what you can't do. There's people that are setting it up for music, like Tory Lanez. He dropped I believe it was a mixtape in NFTs. There's real estate, virtual real estate. There's people where you can use NFTs as a launch pad. So there's different utilities in NFTs. So that's how it works. But you have to understand, why do NFTs have value? So NFTs have value is because of it is original. There's no duplicate. There's one owner, and you can see who the owner is. When you have a lot of people say, I can just take a picture of a Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yeah, you can. You can also take a picture of the Mona Lisa, but that doesn't give you the ownership. You are not the original owner, right? It's like having a fake imitation versus the real. The key characteristics with NFTs are they're indivisible, right? So they exist as a whole item. They're indestructible. All NFTs are in a smart contract, which means they cannot be destroyed, and you can verify the owners, which is verifiable. We can see who the owners are, what they do, who it belongs to, and that's the beautiful thing about this blockchain, is because of everything is decentralized. So that's just a quick video. These are just going to be quick series. The emoji that I want you to comment is a pen. Comment a pen if you want to win the ultimate NFT guide playbook. Okay? You have to do that within the first hour of when this video drops so that you can. I normally charge something for that NFT playbook, but it's going to give you, and that information is going to have secrets, tactics, strategies on how to win and make money in NFT. So this is a quick video series, and I'm going to be releasing more, so hit that bell and stay tuned for the next one.